Hi, it's Lynn again, here for another video with my tips and tricks. All right, today we're going to talk about exponents and a place that everybody gets really confused is, do I add exponents or do I multiply exponents? So what I want to do is sort of give you a way to remember and a way to get back. Instead of just memorizing rules, it's always helpful to have some reason behind it. So I'm going to go back to first grade and sort of teach you sort of this is a hierarchy. All right, so when you were in kindergarten and first grade, the first kind of math you learned to do was addition and subtraction. And then when you got to around third grade, you got really good and you thought, hey, I'm good at math, and addition and subtraction graduated to multiplication and division. And then when you got towards the end of elementary school, maybe middle school, you got really good at math, and that turned into powers. All right, so what I'm saying, what you do with the exponents is always going to be one step back from the way you learned math. So for instance, if we take a power problem, so we're going to do a to the third to the fourth. So the rule for powers, you think, okay, do I do 3 to the fourth? No, you never do the same operation to the exponents as you're doing in the main problem. So what you do is you go back one step. So the back one step is to do multiplication. So this would be a to the 3 times 4, which would be a to the 12th. And that's for powers. Now, if we, instead of this, we have a multiplication problem. Say we have a to the third times a to the fourth. What we want to do, if remember, like, do I multiply or do I add these? No, we add these because that's one step back from multiplication. So this would be a to the 3 plus 4, or a to the 7th power. And this rule actually works for adding, because say I have a to the third plus a to the fourth. You didn't know any math behind adding. And just like this, these are not like terms. Their variables don't match, so we cannot add things with different exponents and different variables. So this is a way to remember it. So you go back one step. It also works for division and multiplication. So if I have a to the 5th divided by a to the 3rd, I go back one step and I do subtraction. A to the 5 minus 3, which is a to the 2nd. So this works. Always go back one step, and that's how you remember whether to add or multiply with the exponents. Good luck with that, and I'll see you next time.